Hello and welcome to the Coral Style tutorial. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. Why you need to raise this hemline. 5 need to know where to work options. And this jacket will class up your closet. So let's start with why you need to raise this hemline. And it's not what you think. I'm not talking about skirts. But we probably have a pair of work pants. I feel like almost everybody has this, a pair of work pants or work trousers. You know, they're the normal standard length, but I'm saying you need to raise the hemline on these and get with the ankle length pants because they are very, 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 very flattering on almost all body shapes, heights, sizes, all of that. Okay, so in the Coral card, it is the ankle length pants that are included in this card, and it's for that reason. And I'm so glad that there's so many more options now out there to go and shop for these. So even if you are somebody that is tall and always you're worried about your pants being too long, you don't have to worry about that with the ankle length pants because that's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to look a little short, but it's very flattering on almost all body types. And I want to show you some images so you can see exactly why. Okay, you can see very flattering slimming on a lot of people. You can wear it with high heels. You can wear them with ballet flats, so it works with flats, it works with sandals, and you can see just in general, it's just a very flattering length of pants, especially when you wear it with high heels, which is part of the Coral card. But I want you to know that you have many, many options for wearing these pants, and they're so much easier to dress up and dress down. And again, it's one of those things that are more unusual that make an outfit interesting and one that's going to get you attention and get you compliments and, you know, even look even more flattering on your body where people will be like, oh, are you shopping somewhere different? You know, are you working out? Did you lose weight? You'll get those kind of comments when you start wearing some of the pieces that are included in this particular collection. So I would for sure consider raising the hemline. Like I said, you probably already have a pair of regular black pants and go, okay, maybe I should get a pair of these ankle length pants and see how they look on me. And again, when you wear them with heels, super flattering. But even if you're not a heels person, plenty of outfits that can be styled with ballet flats. In fact, if you go on to my YouTube channel, I have 2 videos of the ultimate guide to wearing ballet flats. And there are 2 videos, and part 2 video really shows the ankle length pants with ballet flats. And it will be, that's all you need to do is to convince yourself of why you need to invest in getting this pants length and why you should consider raising up that hemline to have the ankle length pants. Next, I want to give you some where to work options. So usually with every collection, I do a segment in one of the videos that really gets into the where to work options because I know people are really interested in those. So I wanted to do it with the Coral outfit because it does have that jacket with it that can go with so many things, cloth it up. We'll get into that in a little bit, but also has these super flattering black ankle length pants that can work in so many different arenas. So I wanted to give you some where to work options. All of them with the exception of one is using ingredients from other cards of the fall winter collection. And the other piece that's used here is something that's considered a wardrobe basic. So if you start collecting all the ingredients for this entire collection, you'd be able to do all the where to work options that I'm about to show you here on the screen. So the first option just uses the Farrah, the blouse that's in the Farrah card. So it's the black or it's the red and black plaid flannel blouse or that you could wear. You just wear it, you can wear it tucked in to the black ankle length pants, wear it with high heels. I would actually maybe pair it with the statement necklace that's part of the Beth card. I don't believe that's a mix and match option on the card, but for sure to dress it up a little bit, make it a little bit more wear to work, I would add the statement necklace to this particular outfit. But you can see gorgeous, but still casual, not too dressy for the office, which I feel like a lot of workplaces are like that now. But again, you look great because you have these ankle length pants that are super stylish with high heels, and then you're pairing it with that plaid blouse. So the second option we're repurposing the jacket from the Dana outfit. So you would still wear the black blouse that's shown on the coral card, that's part of the coral outfit, but you're gonna swap in that navy blazer for this pink one that's part of the Dana outfit. And you can see it's very chic, very urban. You have all black, and then you have this great pop of color with the blazer.